Hi, this is Dr. Namrata. Today in this video, I will tell you about a very important homeopathic medicine, that is the Nux vomica. In this video, I will tell you about the indication of the Nux vomica, the doses and the potency, how can we use this medicine and what are the symptoms on the basis we can take Nux vomica. So video is very informative. Watch till then, stay with me, let's get started. Before starting the video, if you haven't now subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you will get the notification on my upcoming videos. Let's talk about the homeopathic medicine, that is the Nux vomica. Nux vomica is a very important homeopathic medicine. It is a deep acting polycrus medicine. The polycrus medicine means that those medicine who covers all over our multi-organ system, and it is a vegetable kingdom medicine. The common name of the Nux vomica is a streak snos, and it is also called as poisonous nut. Basically the plant is a poisonous plant, and the homeopathic medicine, the Nux vomica, is derived from its seeds. It contains the poisonous alkaloid that is called the strychnine. So it is recommended that if you are taking the Nux vomica in a mother tincture form, you have to take the mother tincture under the guidance of any qualified homeopathic doctor, because it can cause the disturbance or aggravation on your body. So let's talk about the indication of the Nux vomica. It is suitable for those people who are irritable, who live sedentary lifestyle, who does the mental work and mentally exhausted, and the person who needs the stimulants like tea, coffee, alcohol, smoking or tobacco. Talks about the golden peculiar symptoms of the Nux vomica, on which basis you can take the Nux vomica. The first important golden peculiar symptoms of the Nux vomica, that is it is a very important homeopathic medicine for your gastric disturbance. That is, if you have the problem of indigestion, acidity, bloating, in this condition you can use the Nux vomica. And also if you have the constipation, if you have the chronic constipation, if you doesn't clear your stomach at once, in this condition you can use the Nux vomica. And the next indication of the Nux vomica, that is it is a very important remedy for the liver affections. If you have the fatty liver, if you have the hepatomegaly, your liver is enlarged, or if you have the problem of hepatitis, in all this condition you can use the Nux vomica. The next indication of the Nux vomica, that is it is indicated for the initial stage of the cold. If you are getting cold too much, and if you take this Nux vomica in initial stage of your cold, this medicine can cure very well. And the next indication of the Nux vomica, that is a very important medicine for your allergies. If you have the skin allergy, if you have the rashes, if you have the eruptions, or if you have the itching on your skin, in all this condition you can use the Nux vomica. The next indication of the Nux vomica, that is it is a very important medicine for your backache. If you have the chronic backache, or you do sedentary lifestyle and you sit for a longer period of time, due to this you have the backache, in this condition you can use the Nux vomica. And the next indication of the Nux vomica, that is very important homeopathic medicine for your headache. If you have the gastric headache, if you have the frontal headache, if you are suffering from the acidity and this causes the frontal headache, in this condition you can use the Nux vomica. And the next indication of the Nux vomica, that is a very important medicine for your infertility, male impotency. If you have the erectile dysfunction, or if you have the problem of infertility, in this condition you can use the Nux vomica. So friends, this was some golden peculiar symptoms of the Nux vomica. Let's talk about the doses of the medicine. The doses of the medicine, that is it is recommended that if you are taking the Nux vomica, please take the Nux vomica in a lower potency. Start in a lower potency. Nux vomica na 30, 2 drops directly on the tongue for thrice in a day. And if you are taking the Nux vomica na 200 potency, you have to take 4 drops directly in your tongue once in a day for 1 week. Definitely you will get very good result. And if you are taking 1 potency, or if you are taking the mother tincture of the Nux vomica, it is recommended that please do not self-medicate. You have to take this medication under the guidance of the qualified homeopathic doctor. So friends, this was the discussion about the Nux vomica. I hope you will like this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.